Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back, students. So today we are going to start our question number 5, and it is on page number 141. And the question is, there are 35 girls and 45 boys in a class. Okay, so there is a class in which there are 35 boys and 35 girls and 45 boys. So find the ratio of, first is number of girls to the number of boys, and the second is number of girls to the total number of students. So here I have written number of girls equals to 35, number of boys equals to 45. So the total students will be 35 plus 45. See, मैंने यहाँ पे टोटल स्टूडेंट नहीं निकाले होते इफ इन द सेकंड पार्ट इट वुड नॉट हैव बीन आस्क्ड, राइट. तो हमें सेकंड पार्ट के लिए नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट चाहिए, सो दैट्स वाई मैंने अभी फाइंड आउट कर लिया. So the first part is ratio of girls to boys. That means it will be number of girls upon number of boys, right? Because girls to boys means girls numerator में होगा और जो boys है that will be in the denominator. So it is 35 upon 45. So it's 5 7 are 35 and 5 9 are 45. Just like this. It is 5 7 are 35, 5 9 are 45. So the answer will be 7 upon 9. Now the second part is ratio of girls to the students. So that will be number of girls upon total students. So this is 35 upon 80. Similarly, 5 7 are 35 and 5 16 is 80. So the answer is 5 upon 16. Now the question number 6 is find the ratio of the following in the lowest form. By lowest form they mean that if they are getting cancelled out, we have to cancel them as well. Okay, so the first part is 75 paise to 5 rupees. Okay, that means 75 paise will be in the numerator and 5 rupees will be in the denominator. So both the units are different, so we have to convert one unit into another. So it will be 75 paise upon 500 paise, right? Because 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. So from that we can say that 5 rupees will be equal to 500 paise. The paise will get cancelled out and it will be 5 into 15 is 75 and 5 into 100 is 500. Then again we can cancel it out, like 5 3 are 15 and 5 20 is 100. So the answer is 3 by 20. Now the second part is 7 kg to 700 grams. It will be 7 kg upon 700 grams. This 7 kg will be 7000 grams upon 700 grams. Grams and grams will get cancelled out. Two zeros will cancel out and the answer will be 10. Now the third part we have is 3 dozens to 2 score. Okay, see, 3 dozens means 3 into 12. Dozen is 12 and score is 20. Okay, so score is equal to 20. So I'll write it 2 into 20. So 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12, then 2 3 are 6, 2 10 are 20. So it will be 9 upon 10. Okay, now we have question number 7, that is Raj earns rupees 25,000 per month and saves 5,000 per month. Find the ratio of earning to saving, and the second part is earning to expenditure. Okay, see, the total earning is 25,000. Okay, and total saving is 5,000. So the expenditure, that will be earning minus saving. So the expenditure is coming out to be rupees 20,000. And the first part was about this earnings to saving. So earning to saving means earning upon saving. So earning is 25,000 and saving is 5,000. So it will come out to be 5:1. And the second part is earning to expenditure. It will be 25,000 upon 20,000. 3 zeros and 3 zeros, they will get cancelled out. So it will be 5 into 5 is 25 and 5 into 4 is 20. So the answer is 5 upon 4. Now the question number 8 is height and breadth of a rectangular field is 20 meters and 15 meters respectively. So find the ratio of length upon breadth. See, length of rectangle is 20 meters, breadth is 15 meters. So the ratio of length to breadth means length upon breadth. So it will be 20 upon 15. See, 5 4 are 20, 5 3 are 15. So it will be 4 upon 3. Now the question number 9 is compare the following ratios and find the smaller ratio. We have to compare these ratios. Okay, so in this case I have done it by the CM, cross multiplication method. So it's clear. See, if 7 9 are 63, 6 and 24 is 144. So that means 7 by 6 is less than 24 by 9. Similarly in this case it will be 32, it will be 35. So 4 by 7 is less than 5 by 8. Now we have question number 10, and that is, in a bag there are 24 red balls and 21 green balls. What is the ratio of green balls to the total number of balls? Okay, see, the red balls is 24, green balls is 21. So that means total balls will be 24 plus 21, that is 45. And we have to find the ratio of green balls upon total balls. So green balls is 21, total balls is 45. 3 7 are 21, 3 15 is 45. So the answer is 7 upon 15. Now we have question number 11. In a restaurant there are 44 guests. Each one was provided with a burger. 11 of them were given burgers without onion, as they do not eat onion. What is the ratio of guests who ate a burger with onion to those who were present in the party? Okay. See, total guests were 44. So number of burgers without onion, those were 11. So number of burgers with onion will be obviously 44 minus 11, because total to 44 है ना. So it is 33. Now the ratio of burgers with onion to the total. Burgers with onion is 33 and the total is 44. So it will be 11 3 is 33, 11 4 is 44. So the answer is 3 upon 4. Now the question number 12 is, out of 30 fruits, 13 are mangoes and the remaining are oranges. What is the ratio of? See, total number of fruits is 30, mangoes is 13. So the oranges will be 30 minus 13, that is 17. So we have to find the ratio of oranges to mangoes, right? It's oranges to mangoes, yes. So oranges is 17 and mangoes is 13. So the ratio will be 17 upon 13. Now we have the question number 13, that is, two numbers are in the ratio of 8 is to 7. Their sum is 30. So find the numbers. Okay, since the ratio of number is 8 by 7, and the so firstly what we will do, and this we will just add these terms, these ratios. So it will be 8 plus 7 is 15. Okay, so जब भी हमें ratio दिया हो, number निकालना हो, what we have to do then? It is also being said that their sum, can write it, sum of numbers, that is 60, right? And फिर हमने ऐसे किया, so one number will be 8 upon total, जितना ये sum करके आया, into 60, इस फर्स्ट का निकालने के लिए. ओके, सो इट विल बी 5 3 are 15, 5 into 12 is 60, then this will be 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, so it will be 3 8 4 are 32. एक नंबर आ गया. So for the second number the procedure is same, just it will be 7 by 15 into 60. So the answer is coming out to be 7 4 are 28. So the numbers are 32 and 28. जब भी ऐसा दिया हो, रेशो दिया हो और सम दिया हो और नंबर्स निकालने हो, हमेशा इसी तरीके से करेंगे. ओके, देन द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 इज, द सम ऑफ टू एंगल्स इज 90 डिग्री. द एंगल्स आर इन द रेशो ऑफ 2:4. फाइंड द मेजर ऑफ ईच एंगल. ओके, सो रेशो में पता है 2:3. सो रेशो ऑफ एंगल्स इज 2:3. सम ऑफ एंगल्स इज 90. सो फर्स्ट एंगल विल बी 2/5, बिकॉज यहाँ पे आएगा सम of ratio terms. It will be 2 plus 3 equals to 5. So first आएगा 2/5 into 90, दूसरा आएगा 3/5 into 90. Okay, ठीक है. Now the second question is also like same. The sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degrees and the angles are in the ratio of 1:2:3. So find the measure of each angle. Since the ratio of angle is 1:2:3, sum of angles is 180 and sum of ratio terms, it will be 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is 6, right? So first angle आएगा 1/6 into 180, दूसरा आएगा 2/6 into 180, तीसरा आएगा 3/6 into 180. So the angles are 30 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. And the last question is, divide rupees 1500 between Anya and Biju in the ratio of 5:7. How much will each get? सेम है, रेशो दी है 5:7, टोटल मनी पता है 15. तो आनिया की जो रेशो होगी वो अभी 5 है, बीजू की 7 है. तो आनिया को जितने पैसे मिलेंगे दैट विल बी 5/5 plus 7, that is 12 into 1500. Anya's ratio will be 5/12 into 1500, that is 625, and the ratio of Biju will be 7/12 into 1500, that is coming out to be 875. And with this this exercise is complete.